Weddell dual shower filter. So self-care, and it's NSF certified. Has the dual filter. Pretty easy to install. I'm gonna show you guys how to install it. So go ahead and open this. I like the box, pretty nice. Say hello to clean shower, helps with hair and skin. Probably remove all the chlorine and some minerals. So it has 2 filters on each side. Swivel connector. Pretty easy to put on. It also comes with a Teflon tape too, so you don't have to buy it individually. And here's the 2 filter. Pretty much is it. Pretty easy. Let's see, do you turn it to open it? Yeah, so you turn it to open it. Oh, that's really cool. Has the rubber gasket right here, the ring, so it won't leak. Seal it tight. Same goes for the other side. And then this is where your shower goes, right here. Okay, what else comes with this? Alright, so we're going to take this out and then replace it with the filter. Get yourself a plumber wrench. Alright, I use a rag. You don't want to damage any of this. Come on. There we go. Let's see. Side right here. So some of them have 2, so don't remove from the core. You want to remove from here. This is what it looked like. You want to remove the old Teflon tape. All the threadings. Wrap this. You go clockwise. Do like, I'll say like 2, 3 passes. And then you should be golden. Oh, there you go. And that's it. There you go. Alright, here's the dual filter. Make sure this piece, the shiny piece, matches the metal. There you go. Just hand tight at first, righty tight. And then alright, let's do the final one, pop out the cap. Cool. And put back the rubber seal. Last but not least, tighten this. One. Two. And the third one. Perfect. Break that off. There we go. Close it. Here's the shell. Turn it. There we go. Always want to hand tighten it first and then readjust later. There we go. Alright, give it a second. Tighten this up. Okay, I think that's good. Alright, moment of truth, testing it out. Okay. So this wasn't screwed on tight enough, so it's leaking. So if you turn it on, it's leaking out that side. See it? So I'm gonna tighten that a little bit more. It's back here that leaks. So I have to tighten it more. Cool. All right, let's try it on again. Turn it on. Okay, spraying. Filter's going through. No leaks, no water. We are golden. That's it, guys. Please subscribe.